I will be talking about 5 areas, yes, 5 areas in which recent trends has been able to influence health positively, of course. Things are changing, okay, so many things are changing, and some of them are negatively or positively influencing health. And so today I would just be talking about trends generally and ways in which these trends have affected health. I would really prefer to deal on the positive side. I think if the positive side outweighs the negative side, it's proper for us to say we've come a long way, and so this is what this video is all about. One, I'll be talking about sexual health. There are actually so many issues that actually affect sexual health. There are like a lot of them. If I start listing them, you'll be shocked. Issues like low libido, erectile dysfunction, low sperm count, vaginal dryness, and even pains during sexual intercourse. There is even issues with fertility and the rest. So many persons becoming infertile now. The ratio of infertility is even becoming so much, and so sexual health is like a major problem, major problem. And there's also the cultural barriers that was there before now. The society was not kind to people who want to express their sexuality, people who were having these issues. They could not speak out, they could not say what was wrong so as to look for help. But now, with recent trends, people are really pleasing themselves. They're going out and they are being vocal about what's their problem. Even recent consultations in the hospital or even the family planning unit, you see a lot of people asking questions. People are more vocal and people want to really solve their problems. So there is reduction in cultural bias, and then there is availability of products, tools to use and improve sexual health. My next trend or area in which recent trend has actually influenced it positively is gut health. In past times, it was so hard to see the dentist. Now, in developing countries like the one I'm in, if they even go to see their dentist, it becomes like a major luxury. It looks like it's just for the rich and the affluent. But now, people are aware that their teeth are supposed to be kept clean. People are aware they're supposed to brush twice. They are aware they're supposed to use dental floss just to floss their teeth. People are not afraid to even go for tooth extraction if need be. People are even using artificial teeth. They are using veneers. They're even using gold grills. Grills made out of gold. So many of these things were actually not available then, but now is readily available and accessible, and there is reduction in stigmatization or people saying no, you're not supposed to do that. Whether we like it or not, there is intentionality on weight management. Okay, my next trend is weight management falling under the recommended WHO BMI. The internet is littered with videos and pictures of people going extra ways, like trying very hard to maintain their weight. In recent times, it's hard for you not to see a gym center. There are gym centers littered everywhere where you could exercise, and it's so easy for you to get a gym partner, like an exercise partner, compared to other years. People are so intentional about what they want concerning their weight. The next trend I'm going to be talking about is stress, rest, and exercise. Okay, so in recent times, people are more intentional about resting, about relieving stress. So people don't joke about their leisure times. There is leisure opportunities littered everywhere. There is a museum, there is a picnic spot, there is always something. There is a playground, there's something for the children, and there is also something for the adults. I think that's also very unique. People are not easily stressed. There is even apps to listen to music. There is sure a drama, a karaoke night. There's always something for you to not be bored. People are beginning to think of ways to not just work hard but to work smart. My fifth trend, the last one, is on gender health. Okay, I'll be talking about female gender health, and then I'll talk about male gender health. On female gender health, I'll just be talking about sexuality, one, reproductive health, then pregnancy related health, then very important, menopausal health. Female sexual health just has to do with products, supplements, and tools aimed to improve sexual fulfillment. Reproductive health just has to do with infertility, modern trends aimed to improving infertility, such as surrogacy, in vitro fertilization, and even hormone replacement. Pregnancy related care just refers to antenatal and postnatal care. Menopausal care. This is care aimed to reduce the symptoms of menopause. We know that during menopause, the hormones, the female and male hormones are reduced, and so there's so many symptoms that are not pleasant or not favorable to the male or female. So menopausal care is just aimed to reducing those symptoms and making you still feel a little bit young. It goes as far as hormone replacement. There's so many things available there now. Feminine wash. So many things that could reduce the effect of menopause, and we've seen people even in menopause even giving birth recently, and I think that's a very unique trend.